Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're visiting me for the first time from the playlist, hello, my name is Shule and I'm really passionate about making my space both indoor and outdoor looking beautiful. So if you like what you see, please subscribe and comment below that you did so I can go and check your channel and support you on your YouTube journey as well. In today's video, I'm participating in Christine's challenge called 2019 Outdoor DIY and Decor Challenge over at the DIY Mommy, and I hope you enjoy. This was a newly built house and there was hardly anything in the sloped garden. I shared my journey for the whole garden in last year's challenge and I will leave a link below. And this year I will share how I tackled the side of the patio which looked really ugly. Whatever I did, I couldn't grow any plants, everything was dying. It's a heavily clay garden and in the sun it would just go really rock hard. It really was a narrow patch and I had to extend it over the patio as I didn't want this project to be too expensive and I didn't want a big makeover. After completing the edging, I laid a plastic sheet as I didn't want muddy water seeping through onto my patio. I completed this project last year and in today's video I'm going to share how it's looking now. If you have been with me for a while, you know my color scheme. I love pinks, I love purples, and I really like to incorporate those both indoors and outdoors. A few weeks ago, when I had the chance to tackle the garden, this is how it was looking, really feeling sorry for itself and a lot of dead plants, and I had to do all over again, cleaned it, replanted, and it's really ready for summer. To my surprise, my fuchsia plant didn't die and somehow it survived the winter, so I was so happy. I just trimmed it and planted around it. I picked these aluminium sticks from Home Base last year and it's so easy to bend, so I turned them into garden ornaments and I bought those stainless steel spheres as well in three sizes, and I'm just going to show you how I actually decorate the garden with them. I also picked these ones up from a garden center. They are originally for orchid plants, but I'm going to actually use it as decoration in my pots. And this gorgeous sun catcher is from Poundland and I really love the color, really shimmery purple, and as it turns it just gives a beautiful scene. So I haven't decided how I'm going to use it, where I'm going to use it, but I will definitely use it. And this is how it's looking. It's a gorgeous sunny day and I put everything back and I put those sun catchers under the pot and it really looks beautiful. This purple planter is from IKEA. It's metal and I'm so happy with the quality. 3 years on and it's just turning a little bit rusty this year, but otherwise it's perfect still. My plants are still small, but I started gardening series on my channel, so if you want to see the rest of my garden and how this area will turn out, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. As you can see, I really like metal ornaments in my garden and I use them throughout, including my pots. Thank you so much, Christine, for this beautiful challenge. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it inspirational for your own garden. If you did, please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to inspire you more. And until next time, bye bye.